Hello and welcome back to the Birdu ID channel. In this video, we'll show you how to add conditional logic to your form. In other words, how to make certain form fields appear only when specific conditions are met. This is useful when you want to keep your forms clean and dynamic. For example, in a customer feedback form, where some questions only show up depending on the visitor's answers. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to Birdu. Click the like button below and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss our next tutorials. This video won't cover the basics of creating a form. We already made a full tutorial for that, and you can find the link in the description below. If you already know how to create a form, let's get started. From your Birdu website dashboard, go to Layout, then Custom Pages, and edit the page that contains your form. Here's an example form I've made earlier. A customer feedback form. It includes 3 basic questions: name, email, and the question, have you ever purchased from our store before? For the third question, I'll make it a selection option with yes and no choices. Now, we'll add a follow-up question that only appears if the customer answers yes to the question about previous purchases. To do this, click Add Section, then type your question here. For example, I'll type, which product did you purchase before? Then, for the type, select Select Option, and for the design, choose Selection. Add a few options, for example, apparel, electronics, and accessories. Next, let's delete the placeholder, and for the default, I'll select None. Now the layout should look something like this. Now go to the Conditions tab, click Add Condition. On the name column, choose the question before, which is, have you ever purchased from our store before? Then select is equals to, and here you can type yes. Here's how the condition works. When the question, have you ever purchased from our store before, is equal to yes, the follow-up question, which product did you purchase, will automatically appear. If the visitor chooses no, this follow-up question will stay hidden. This is what we call a follow-up question. Once done, click Done. Next, let's add another follow-up question. Click Add Section again, and this time choose Long Text. Change the question to, tell us more about your experience using our product, and I will delete the placeholder here. Then set the same condition like before. Add new condition, select question. Which product did you purchase before? Is filled. Click Done. Let's test it. By default, this form only has 3 questions. Let's say the customer fills out their data. When they select Yes, the next question below will appear. If they answer any option from the next field, the following question will appear again. So everything flows in sequence. If the customer chooses No, those questions will stay hidden. You can also do the same for other scenarios. Let's try to handle the other case. Click Add Section, select Type, Long Text, and rename the question. For example, what stopped you from making a purchase? I will also delete the placeholder. Then go to Condition, Add New Conditions, and select the question, have you ever purchased from our store before? Which is this yes-no question. And choose is equal to, then type No. With this kind of condition, it means that when the visitor selects No, a different follow-up question will appear instead, depending on the logic you've set. Click Done. Let's test it out. If the respondent answers yes, then the questions about the product and experience will appear automatically. If they answer no, the question, what stopped you from making a purchase, will appear instead. If they switch back to yes, the form will automatically hide the previous field and show the relevant ones again. This makes your form more interactive, relevant, and professional, without overwhelming users with too many questions at once. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the Birdu channel for more tutorials. Also, make sure to follow our social media accounts for more tips and updates. See you in the next video.